Hi everyone, let's see what we are going to create. Let's take a look. You see, it's kind of nice. Let's start for creating that. At first we need a 3 rectangle. It's up to you, but you can save the size, for example one here, and then you need to align it center, then create another one here, then create another one here, then reduce its size and select all of them and set the shape outline to none. Then you need to create a tree of this by holding shift if you like or don't like, then recolor this too. Then from here flip it. You need to make it perfectly aligned, and after that you come with something like this that I created in the past. Let's copy everything, paste it here. Now this text is also use the Kristen ITC as a font, and I gave it just simply from text object. I gave it a text outline. You can change it if you want, for example like this, and you can also change the color of them to the color you want. For example, let's go with another color like this, something more silver like, and then copy that and paste it. Then just simply select this tree, bring them down, and this tree, and bring them down. Now copy the text, paste them here, but this color shall be black. Then set the transition to morph. Your slide is ready. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.